I've searched the internet and I found this price for the RTX 580 and 590. Check this out, in Europe. Pro Shop. They leaked the price. I don't know. Do they have a huge margin? Maybe. Do they have very little margin? Maybe as well. Who knows? But 1,229 euros for the base version, WindForce 3 from Gigabyte. Wow, that's something. Okay, you have to add 200 more for the Aero version from Gigabyte. Well, 300 more for the Aero Master. Same color, same price. Water-cooled version, Aero Extreme from Gigabyte, 1,669 euros. That is a lot. Do you really need water cooling system for the 580? I don't think so. I could be wrong. But it is what it is. It looks nice. The funny thing is that the version without the cooling system, I mean with water-cooled version but without the cooler, costs the same. It should be like 200 euros less. Come on, you don't get it. I mean, it looks a bit different. It has that transparent look, but come on, it should be like 100 euro, at least 100 euros less. No cooler after all. Okay, that's all we have with 580. What about 590? Let's see 590. We only have one price for the Asus, that's tough version. So, okay, this is not the least expensive, but also not most expensive. 2,000, I mean, most premium. We don't know the prices yet for all of them. Only one of them. 2,455 euros. Oof. That's quite a difference compared to the reference version. Okay, reference version was, this is euros. I've seen it. It's like 400 euros more. No, wait. 300 euros more. Yeah, some around 300 euros more. That's okay, I guess. That's okay. Around 2 or 250, something like that. So that's okay, I guess. All right. Personally, I'm gonna look for Astral, which most likely will be more expensive. But such a beautiful card. Check this out. The extra HDMI, and I'm definitely gonna need that because I'm using TV as a PC monitor. Definitely need those two. Nice. Of course, I can use converter from DisplayPort to HDMI, but it's not the same. Not the same. Yeah, and it looks gorgeous. It has that stripe. Good looking card. And if not this one, I will go with maybe water-cooled, but a bit too expensive. Well, Supreme is also the beautiful card to me. I think Supreme is something. I want to have something nice in my PC. Yeah? That's nice. That's all I got for now. Just a little search on the internet. See you next video. You can search it too. ProShop Fee. Yeah. Bye.